Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. John Bull Imade said tomorrow will be 17th of January 2022. Now dem wan come out pray for Uronigbe brothers and sisters wey dey for abroad and also cause the people wey dey make things difficult for Uronigbe brothers and sisters for abroad. Make I leave you now, make you hear from John Bull Imade.
Uronigbe, this message is for Uronigbe citizens all over the world. The truth of the matter where the boy yeke. By 10 o'clock he will wear Uronigbe. It's a message to all Uronigbe citizens. Why women will have a webu arwa nanderum by 10 o'clock tomorrow, the elders of our community will pronounce a curse against those who never want you guys to be okay in Europe country. Magari warning agari no we street light we manari mure worry because wagi mure when at here boy we we have spent a lot of money. You see my point? Since yesterday, my personal money. This is my living home. It's my point. Owe naba we giawujo bogioba aya wujo bogioba. Ma when you guy we giawujo bogioba anaba wujo bogioba because inya oregwa ewe oregwa ekita oregwa ibaya fe na gwalo oregwa iho oregwa umamagbon oregwa efi oregwa. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. God bless you all. Yeah, eteni who wa bebe nege kai usalo bo abu yo butu anode bawa. Happy festival, happy Izeki festival. This message is from the town crier of Uronigbe community, as you all know, John Bull Imade. Thank you very much, and may the Spirit of God be with you guys. Please share this video. Tag all friends, brothers and sisters all over the world, okay? I want to share. Please share. I'm sharing. Please tag all my brothers and sisters all over the world. It's a message to all Uronigbe community. I know it's not that so easy, but God is in control, okay? Please share. Share this video, please. Share this video, tag all your friends. I'm doing my sharing, don't be offended, please share. Share this video, very important. It's a message to all Uronigbe community. Things is moving fine here right now as I speak with you guys. Please share, tag all your friends. Invite people, I'm inviting, okay? Don't be offended. We're in the rural area. I know you guys can do it better, more than us. I've seen my friend Kevy. Kevy is there already. Thank you very much, Kevy. God bless you. Let's talk about development in the rural area, okay? Yeah. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters. God bless you guys. And may the Spirit of God be with you. Please share this video. Let this video go viral. Okay. This is the voice of the truth from Uronigbe community. God bless you as you share my video, and may the Spirit of God be with you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Please start sharing this video for development. Please share this video, let this video go viral, okay? Share. Thank you very much. God be with you guys in Jesus' name. Keep on appreciating you guys, all my fans. Thank you for your support in my life. And may the Spirit of God be with you. The technique that I technique over yafe wa wesi esere wa mai or say salobua obu your buton on the bawa wa yafe wa wesi. I want to assure all Uronigbe citizens, miracle is about to happen first thing tomorrow morning by 10 o'clock. The technique that I technique who salobua obu your buton or the bawa Becky, my daughter. I appreciate you, and may the Spirit of God be with you. You are welcome, Becky. Said good evening, Daddy. I remember your daddy. Salobua buyo buton anogia mawe. Becky no mo. Salobua emiya fe no sunu dawe. Salobua buyo buton anolao. No gie line we udere. Becky no mo. I greet you, Ije no gie. Ije Grace. God bless you, mommy. Salobua or debawa. Yafe wa wesi. Owaza aze beze omaduna salobua o de bawa wana be teme no magume de ave tenogi. I cite you there, Mr. John. Hey John salobua o de bawe ni wari so bomu yafe o tuna nowa. Please take me the way you see me. Since yesterday, I'm having a sleepless night. I'm not myself for development of Uronigbe community. Please, John Destiny, I cite you. God bless you. Happy Sunday to you too. Yes, life in John Imade house. Eteniku. Usalobwa no ba wa. Lego wa wu no gi wa kun. I have a message for all Uronigbe indigenes all over the world. Please, my brothers and sisters, support John Imade for development. You understand? So allow owe akugbe or etin inwanegbe or udeme etenik biagege eteniku. Uronigbe, this message is for Uronigbe citizens all over the world. Please, my brothers and sisters, by tomorrow morning by 10 o'clock, Matie Ebo, Manati Azen, Manati Uso, Ima Yafe, no Morima no Ma, Uronigbe, Mami Azen, Mami Uso, Mami Omobabe, Mami Pastor. Please, my brothers and sisters, by tomorrow morning, Ima Anerunu Wayafe, no Irewebu, Ewebu, Omaizi. Now, Oniofina, Ewebu. You cannot expect somebody in Ore Uwoni, no Huigone, Uwoni, Uwonodori Yimida, Olowo. Etenik Biagege Eteniku, Marie Dore Yo Rere, Uronigbe, Manado Dere, where Imani Bumuha, Nore Uyo Boye, Uronigbe. Eti Medotamu wa, ta America team, where only mass one year, we me year, Uronigbe, in a way, and I work good and fine. Do where you only mass one way you don't need now when I wanna where tiazen where you so ne ya gbawe ekinimati garage na ja senjo o piano o kwori no we niyen pope iwiro onigbe ni rewebo na kama ibi no garun Omoruyi, I cite you. God bless you, Osarodion. God bless you. Thank you for your empowering me, for your watching my video. This is the voice of the truth for Oronigbe. Ita we no yasunu. Tanimala that we are trying to develop Oronigbe community, ordering for street light, we have street light ire, we have yonare. Somebody called me in America, or where I can provide 100 street lights in Oronigbe. Can you do me a favor? In other words, what is the favor? Kamame ya wenu. Or when he view all the old medical doctors, Oronigbe, all the old marine spirits, Oronigbe. A spirit ni no wa muhaen. A spirit ni no magi wa miebe. Please, sorry, don't call me. Ave spirit ni no magi e moma be webo. Na vie ya de garage ba hwe. Ni ya do tie boyo. Obiari no, ohori no magi wa ma be webo. No magi agbon ma wa. No magi wa miebe. Omo wa are webo for 20 years. Maybe. Owa magi wierere. Komagi ese. To leave Rome become problem. To leave Milan to Germany become problem. To from Germany to Australia become problem. A citizen of Oronigbe community. Or I call a brother Alpha, I dey hungry, you find me something now. He go say you can't understand. Era ni marijina. You people will understand in Jesus' name. Osalobo amudi anuwa. First thing tomorrow morning by 10 o'clock, all the old medical doctor will gather in Awolokun. It's a message to all Oronigbe citizens. One on Muha, eri azan agbeme, eri emi na mami na say. Tomorrow, ma tie boyo. O piano, o horino, no ikpo bi Oronigbe webo. No magiyan ma. No magiyan do bo waye wo na. No magiyan do be estate. Oronigbe me estate we Lekki. Eso we Ko. Eso we different country all over the world. All Oronigbe citizens have buildings in all over the world, but they don't have anything in our community. Today, I will still drive my car to Abraka to go and swim in swimming pool. Is that not a shameful thing? How much? 1,000 naira to swim. 1,000 naira to swim. Ni Yahweh, be where away. You don't need be mego. Ohama ginya we me you wa. Igi do rei. Ina fi boy you go me. Ina de go lad. Ina do miebo. Live video na kina. Omero no dey go gume. I have to spend almost 100,000 naira to settle all the old medicals and our brothers, pastors, and reverends. My warning never will wear by 10 o'clock. At your body, your name, and my own wama instantly. Mavekba. I will do Pastor Ladian in 3 days' time. To make sure where a pastor will do Neru. Because of where I know Ted Joshua, I don't know Ring Road. There are people that believe on tradition, while there are people that believe on Christianity. After set I've done on Tradimedical, we will still call upon pastors and the Ohens of Osalobwa, Niadove Nerunuwa. Nuare Moha. Made Owame Jena. Made Palome, Oyena Re Heaven. Owame Wayena, a letter Oronigbe, but I have to earn my gen to empower my house so that I will be comfortable. If you know a war, or Yawa, or any okay, no, will be no market no Yawa. They seek our CEO who make an army joy, smoke. There a two or a goes at the logo, who make an hour. Do it If na woman you dey carry, say if you dey carry woman dey go, you go dey get joy. Dey carry anything that make that will pleases your heart to be okay in life without having hypertension. Do it. It doesn't matter. That is how life look like. My brothers and sisters all over the world, those are the small here in Benin. The truth of the issue, my people have make a lot of money. Obi Kubana, he dey learn for where Uronigbe citizen dey. I talk am for broken, make una hear. Obi Kubana, na God na go bless Obi Kubana. Anyhow, it is same money, may God bless am. But I Tilly, get wetin Benin dey call well, Giatili. I vow, I challenge Obi Kubana for where my community people dey, Uronigbe. Uronigbe have been existing in New York since 1940 something, 1960 something, 1970 something. Uronigbe have been in New York City. Uronigbe have hold a company in New York. Uronigbe have become a doctor in New York since 1970 something. I repeat, I say Obi Kubana, he dey learn for where Uronigbe dey. If you not be for mouth. If you know my people, make you go confirm am. I go tell you, not be today. We are coming out for them tomorrow. The witches are wizard that you guys is afraid. Ni allow, ni yario boy you wakure. How can somebody be calling me JB? I can give you 30 street lights. I'm afraid. JB, I will give you 100 street lights. I'm afraid. Look at our sister yesterday in social media. She was sharing tears. Some people will look at him, well, what is he doing? Why is he crying? You see a lady like that crying for development. Now juju be that. You no go use your sense. A big lady on her veer, he was crying. Say, I beg una come develop my community. She was crying. Some of you will look the woman, maybe she have have drunk, or she doesn't know what is doing. Is the message from Almighty God. For you seeing a lady yesterday here, she was crying for her whole street in Duegbo. This is a person live in Europe, have children. If you needed food, he will send for a cab. If you want to buy handset, they can buy handset on credit base because she have document. He will be paying instrumentally. All the secret of Europe, don't describe it for people like us. We know. That is the reason my beg when we allow. There is no money in Europe again. Or phone. You cannot expect somebody in Ozozo ko where you are sota. We no do vigore. Ologo. Etenic bagage etenic. Wage igyohamuwa. O dame vorion. If you know dame, na kina edu tamuwa. Ahwe. Soso maye. Uhure. Owuru nigbi. Ne deni. Ahavyo ela den wakwe ni ma jasen yo. O biano okwono. No wono pupu wa no wa vi street light ire. Ajasen yo ni. Eva no gwale bebe webo. No mamie. Abeti eboyo. Evi no madiro nigbe. Uwe no mweria. Abe jasen yo. Ibieka gie no vi osisi ne gie mo bo. Uwa agbon wa geno wo we cut isukin. Eyo kin o. Aye o kin o. E ma fight kin o. Oga. You on your own. Ahwe. We wear 10 o'clock. Everybody in boss garage. Our leader is going to pronounce a curse upon those who plan any evil in the community. You feel look and say the thing not dey work, no worry. Time still dey. When you are 60, 70, you now find stroke you down, then you will not know. Your children will not be running up and down. Well, wetin happen to our papa? My father told me where he told why I fake answer. We are warming up against tomorrow morning by the grace of Almighty God. Iyare, I cite you. God bless you. Iyare, please be supporting us. I keep on telling you this. We guys, we grow together. We are all friends, Mr. Iyare. God bless you. Support our development. You understand my point? Ukpore Rani, Viema Koko, Namwe Street Light Iyo. Theory ha, theory ne. You are almost 5 years in Germany, if I'm not mistaken. I know you lost your father, and may his soul rest in perfect peace, Mr. Iyare. Lahore. Thierry Dunga, Kugbe, Ukpowa. I hear government Ibegena. I'm no longer a politician. This is live video. I'm no longer a politician. The politician who want position will come and look for me in my house. I'm not in a hotel. This is my building. You understand? A politician of Gwalarioba or Gwalomeri Mana, I hear you. Ni do no e wa ye uyuru nigbe. Na Gwalupo. Election ni ma pray gbera ate fi awon hun. Aya fe wa I almost died because of Godwin Obaseki. But today, I still remain in the village. Am I a foolish man? Can't I use my sense? The truth of the matter, the title of this message is to assure all Uronigbe community wherever Gyohamuwa, where we will pronounce a curse, not when a law over. That is the truth of the matter. By 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, day to managing winner, please try your best, subscribe, and go to the platform of Jumbo Imade. Say public. I don't have YouTube. YouTube is not paying me nothing. I only do video if I'm a more. Me man, anyway YouTube. We both don't have video me. Uno salobo give me easy. Yare, thank you. You are clapping for me. God bless you, Yare. The truth of the issue, walao. Ogimako bokugbe, akugbe, oetin. No matter the way you oga, the way you are on your own. Beni meji, I don't talk too much. You make it ya go wavano. Ida avi even the kawe ede. You know do Rorigbe Association America. You make it beni oga. Udolo wera yo, umo wera fwa o yo wera akyotiku. You are on your own. Now they say not be that year me conquer position because of una. I have never seen anybody Uronigbe apart from Baba Kuti. Kuti from Idwegbo, he sent me 50,000 naira. Kenike will video. He made me Uronigbe pa. Though if you not say that you they bring money for me, talk am for here now. That's what they talk. If you not say you be Uronigbe citizen, say you send me money right time for here. Atalo wunu ha. O wa meji na egwibo wa eke yimi rene. Ime yimi wa. Wagi ma kwori okugbe na adole ya fe yi. Wa be zeda be o we ebo e na. But na mi go no ya subscribe before, okay? Every time you be there, my back baby ha Uronigbe aye gboro. I've never found any Uronigbe citizen, I repeat, I speak it with English, who called me Jumbo Imade when he were yes sir. Check your account or send me your account number. I send you 50,000. Apart from only one man from Idwegbo, Baba Kuti from Australia, who give Idwegbo 16 solar street lights. Where you get Christmas you, why don't you get Christmas you maybe unwa? Why would you have within the event? That is not a problem. Where for development, JB, you try, take. Look, we're not going to talk, say, you know, see, and I send that money that day. You can't talk, say, now one person. I'm talking about development, not be Xmas period with the talk. Even the Xmas, how many of now? Only one man where they tell me, say, man, not make sure in name. You dey here. Now millionaire, and I God, now go to bless that man. From Ididogun. He's a multi-millionaire. He sent me a lot of money this time of Xmas. I'm not here 20,000 girl, man, 70,000, 100,000. My year. Ya agbe yes, yeah. Or where ya do money, or yeah, I was all about they buy. I'm talking about the street light development and the social media world. Have you ever called me say, my son, thank you. We are seeing what you are doing. You think now, say no, this now before. I gonna carry hypertension because of una. Not be juju be that one. 70 old man come dey talk anyhow for social media. That one will not go work now. Egene dey na te van omuwa. My brother, guy, ike ma wa jilobo. Even when you have van omuwa. If you trust what I'm doing, call me and bless me. That is the truth. That is the truth. Because you cannot expect a family man like me boosting the community every time. You are watching the video. You are there. You are agreement. Who make contribution? Where Uronik Bena Gave no Keke in my way. Ige Panoshevo. Where are the honorables? Today, Uronik have no place. All the youth where let's go and greet any Uronik citizen. Where areas of assembly or full. Eyafu. Uronik be anybody when I go on. Where I want to go Abuja, I want to go greet them. Error. You are there making noise in Europe, London, Austria, waiting uji, Owera, Umaseba Doleyi, Owijue, Umaseba Doleyi. I started this live video alone. Or Mama Hamame with this one live video. That's why I pick one wisdom of recent. My brothers and sisters, listen, Yare, listen. I pick one wisdom of recent from some people. When you where do we video now? But so everything you advise you or see where you if this video where you do not good, you're not supposed to do like this, you know. It's trying to bring you back, but you don't know. That's why I urge your Uronigbe community. If you want to speak with me, contact my phone number. Talk to me on development. Because you forget say one way close, another way go open. Because you are be giving some people like 20,000, 10,000, you want to take their birthright. You want to rule over them. You see life. Agbona, una do boy with your bomb men where JB Alpha hold this one. Not tell me wetin I go do for Uronigbe. Now then you will forget am wrong. When I'm doing Unosalobo game, where you for ya control me, my brother, sister, don't try it. I'm not happy for that. Nobody too well like that. You know, we know the story. We come from this village. You know everybody character, and we know ourselves. You understand? I will never change it. Because my way we going to be full. Only man need that priority to be controlling me about the Uronigbe community. Say, do like this, talking like this. If you be that type of person, not call my number. If you know say you want bring street light, call me. Hey, call him, man. When I was swinging, we were swinging. We are in the room. Call him, man. Forget. So far, how many street lights you ask me to buy? I buy it for you, and I video it. You see it. I will buy with the guy. But I don't see sometimes because I'm close to some people in America, London. You want to take advantage of me? That is not how to live life. Nobody knows tomorrow. Who take Boma Yese? Who will Yese? No Kauri. When you want to have problem with somebody, think what that man have done for you before, and use your own sense, and you mind the way you talk to that kind of person. If you don't need a duty wafi, how can somebody be having 10 acres from January to December? Over January 2021, he was having 10 acres with big guy. Over 2022, over the boy where over the beer parlor, we have 10 acres. 10 acres. I know where the former 10 acres in 2021, what do you use it for? I take if you answer, you have a job. We 10 acres last year. Ukbona wadegbe ubome. Kena biome my lagbo. Asaboro is a rich man. I keep on saying it. If I in Asabo Kwan you talk, man if me I are 70 years. If I in Asabo Kwan you talk, my UFO. Or when mention your father name they describe you. take join your father and to dey talk for mouth. I be asaboro pikin. Ego na saboro kwan yo to man if ye my yeri you efo. Even when I'm 70 years, a man who have almost 15 hectares in Banga. What is now my agenda? I had to forget my father's property and face my property and make another future again for my children so that they will be proud the way I'm proud about my father. I want any of my son to come out tomorrow and say, hey, JB Obiome, Mowe JB, no other with social media. My father have this company, my father have that company. It's the will of God. Imana give say baby have a company. My children can still say it where Iramomo street light in Ronigbe. Iramomo development here at Ronigbe. I'm proud today. I'm the owner of the first hotel in the Ronigbe community. Monya, nobody can change it. John Wimade build home is home hotel. You understand? Before my senior brother Dixon Imade, he will tell me exist today Dixon Imade before he continues. So the million is not what matter. Who started it is what matter. Just the way we started the street light. Omo no swimming or keke na your corner. Where Omana you have been trying. Where are the support? Osakwe no holding, I keep on saying it is my friend. Ema toem. Abato baze. No matter say una say na so ima dey make chon. But ema toem. Talk as e be. Oma toem. Oba look my eye. Ema tinyamu. Ahwe. Ima ati ebo. Nwa we ma ati ebo yo ni ahwe. Ima no ikpopu wa no rewebu. Ima no magi wa ma. Ima no magi wa we yo. Wa ahwe boya agba. Ibe lu go me yo ne. Why who worry go gun many lawyer wey na wa gun write it. Who worry? I spent over 100,000 to pronounce a curse. Both the pastor after me a tie buff for them. A pastor be do neru no wa. You na. No ma maybe no ipopo wa na gbon re ma. Omo no worry no ma. I wo na wa no wa mo ehore na fia. Idia na yes give am. My brother Odionwe of New York. Abi Enogi of New York. You know him? He dashed me when he come to Ronigbe when we were doing Ronigbe Ekaba festival. Ona care in Runa Yame. Emiesi or Emiesi. I value what he gave to me. And Odionwe Owiya say Papa Richie Salobo Adebayo. He value it can be 1 million, it can be 2 million, but why value on which means you want the man to do another thing again. Why support even Ronigbe man? You cannot pronounce what me wajina okay now gimabe wujo bobo na no ari egbo na vi street light yo odigwetwe community osuru nigbe odigwetwe Salobo Odeba wa ti finu giwa odigwetwe but 70 street light a day Alfred ya oya install most street light be the orion say oh go and check all the YouTube who started the street light. More someone from Comrade Latin Oriakin, give me that wisdom. Oriakin, Comrade Latin Oriakin from London, from UK, Latin show. He gave me the wisdom. He tell me this is the price of street light. More someone, before our brother Salobo Odeba, what we near Yahweh, or Osio my friend too, Pastor talk as he be. I remember your name. If you remember your name, right down there. A pastor can say be. Yeah, free. My brother, I cite you. God bless you. Ogiva. Salobo Odeba, I cite you. That is my comedian. Freedom. God will keep on blessing you. You don't have problem. I remain your godfather. People will be attacking you because you are sharing my video. That is not a problem. Until the king that was sent from Almighty God leave you, you will never know the use of that king. That is how it is. Thank you very much, my brother. God will bless you, my comedian, my MC. Cite you. God will bless you. You understand, my people. Wagima kwekwe kugbena dole we ma ye evident. So please 10 o'clock tomorrow, don't fail. Watch that video. Ima vie bola dia na ja sen yo. Ima no rikbo bibiro ni gbe we bo Kevin Salobo Odebawe. My brother, I said to you, I will not mention your name. You are being out of arrest for many years. But I assure you, as I cover my head, I assure you this night, my brother, you will be out of that prison. I said to you, I will not mention your name. We have been fighting, praying for you to be out from house arrest. Orowo Bera, Orowo Biji, no mu weye that house arrest. O Aladian, we need Jesus Christ no me wafa. You will be out from that house arrest. Because here pass or why who will give the street light, you don't say nene. Inamu weba ma pama eva agbewe awesago awogun ahwahwe wahala awe yafe upon the o uyere as arrest. So for that simple reason why I call wazingbe menu wa remene wa dere where you are watching me ure as arrest why I call wazingbe wahala diaban Osalobo keep you for some time. Italy no wa yera no re Ghana e owe Osalobo wo zingbe ne aladiaba oteme muwegie we ni wona ana we mi ya fe bo be na gbaren aren yeje uzingbe emi ya ga ma ono pe atama we iso we ni ayo Osalobo and at the time a technique be ke technique wo wala e Kevin agbon amawe I said to you my good friend, my childhood friend, may the spirit of God be with you, Mr. Kevin. The truth of the issue a technique by technique wo wa ge mu ha ika ha mo we ma yi koiso mana do gun a we igbodo ma igwa loro ni gbe yi unu gba wa we time wa azen do miti wuro ni gbe me ma en egeni ya re egeni ya we wo de gbe Italy ya ma wa okeni ladin awupo ni aka hin awa ke awon won ni hin ni wa ata lo hin awupo before we people we not know where awon won ni hin egeni ya pa itamuwa egeni ya re itamuwa Maribe agree where a street light Kevin thank you one love a street light mana be agree where wodo okay now wa una we street light here ina be koyome ina adia wa gbon lo tamuwa okay imana yi kamu wa won ni tin kedike go wa gwan wa yi awon won ni hin ibo wa ide moto emi ya fe ma me ebi mi aye do sien ma wa won ni meki wa we ni ya tamuwa all the old witches in Ronigbe have agreed together ni wo regbe tamuwa iya we ya gwa le baby we ya gwa le lati now why are you not afraid wa rigu mo na iwe video ba son iwe video ba van when ore London wo no ri guy or popo when ore Austria wo no ri guy popo you are a foolish man, you don't know what you are doing, you are a fool. Ogevi you my stepmother na dey worry me. My stepmother na dey worry me. You are a fool. We are in wanyon be beer parlor where I say, "Oh, wa we are low here. Uda mina me man ru nigbe. Udo wiyan popo. How long are you going to wait? Foolish old man, 70 old years man. You know say you don't turn to juju. Emina oh here, mina me. Stop working with your dream. There are dreams you work with. It's not all dream you work with. Okay, now if you as you dey watch this video, so okay, what if you can't sleep tomorrow, you can't dream see JB? You say na me dey worry you. Because why? You don't already watch me today now. Definitely most of you must dream see this white cloth. See now white I wear. This night now, una will dream see me. Say I see JB with white. Then tomorrow you can't dey complain. Why are you complaining? Please share this video. By tomorrow morning, we will pronounce a curse to all evildoers in the community. Uronigbe, no magi wama, ahwe ima amwe bogbe ya. Not only Uronigbe community, not only Uronigbe community all over the world. Don't go closer, okay? Not only Uronigbe community, all entire Orion. My sister, Ovi Mokinofan, Ideriwe, and may the Spirit of God be with you. You understand? I appreciate you guys, and God will keep on guiding you guys. The truth of the matter, I said to my sister, I tell you yesterday, where, hey, vie, you see my point. Omega na ve ya vie, omega na give ya vie. You understand? So take me the way you see me. That's how it is, you know. Please, omega na ya vie, omega na give ya vie. You understand? Uyane, wege gi vie. Etweno ma dolo wera yi we sin ai. Only kind body. You understand my point? We have it in Yane, and you have tried. You gave us 5 solar street lights in Uronigwe. You understand? 5 solar street lights. We are. Hey, so because the reason I tell you not to be crying, my sister, so that the video no, even making out the hey. You understand my point? When you are crying like a baby, they will not know. It's only the mystical people, the spiritual people that will know what you are talking about. Oh, there is Venuvie, Venimagina, Ema Venimage, or Egbe Venuvie. Emano de salad, my do with here. Oh, we don't mind that girl. Let her be crying there. You understand? But any kaora neya ọmọ náà láti àwọn náà dọ́ level yìí ọmọ ni máa wé mi dán ọmọ wé mi dán bẹ̀ dọ́pá ọmọ wé mi dán bẹ̀ òwe ẹ ọ̀nà àvíẹ ọ̀nà àdìgbò ẹ màá náà kúrò nígbè rẹ yìí we were not happy when we were watching that video yesterday mama rọrọ màá níbi rò nígbè mama rọrọ ọ̀víẹ owó àrùndọ́ lùdọ́ ẹgbó yìí uwe wà ní èso náà bẹ̀ àgíọ́ ẹ̀. Wana be agie benu waya gie o we know de we give of here we Mokino fan benu waya gie e river bo eri o we ya be wijo bo nu wa na ma no ro o ma na lu nu wa ba ko e you understand my point but okpa never know wana una this form no gie ni be know the way of here but here ba na yi igbo ma emi no I'm assuring you where every no awe say you understand my point benu ya gie ni you know, Salobo have given her girl because she have been trying to make the community to be okay. You understand my point? Oviere yae, okmine na make sure we Uronigbe dey okay. Ami ma very Uronigbe every man aye je gbona bedele na. Etenic bere etenic. Oga tell mata ma gbe. Oga mata ma gbe. The truth of the matter where wa de won we miesi the boy yeke wa ya fe wa mu egbe by 10 o'clock wo we Uronigbe ba hue ti e boyo is a message to all Uronigbe citizens wa ewu menwu na webu aruo wa na nderu mu ba hue be go gigbe by 10 o'clock tomorrow the elders of our community will pronounce a curse against those who never want you guys to be okay in Europe country. Magari warning agari no we street light we manage mure worry because wagi mure we na tie boy we e man o ipopu wa o wa kwena we have spent a lot of money. You see my point? Since yesterday, my personal money. This is my living home. O wa meje na. It's my point. O se na kam wa we egbibo wa eke imi rene. Owe nabawe giawujo bogi oba ayawujo bogi oba ma when ni kai we giawujo bogi oba anabawujo bogi oba because inya oregwa ewe oregwa ekita oregwa iba ya fe na gwalo oregwa iho oregwa umamagbon oregwa efi oregwa we no wa kuru ni gbevinya pa wa avio gi oba o wa je gbo eyunu otiti ayawo yobo no ba otiti kekan ayawo yobo no ba e ma no me khe no ma o wi yobo gi omo no ba be go because why ọba ọbọ wa eke imi rene ọba atọpẹ ise obo wa eke imire ne omaga kamu we Uronigbe na he we I believe ya ekeni me wa jina ana kama we Uronigbe na hina wa believe wa me no so na we lucky o wa me ya fe tomorrow you not come to Uronigbe to make noise. I will leave you to make noise here. I will not agree for you to make noise. Which kind of fucking noise are you going to make when you have no building here? You don't have building here, so don't make noise. I'm telling you the truth. I will not give you that rule. Some say that is a kabaka of Uronigbe. Some call me tank crier. Some call me 419. While some call me ritual. I become all kinds of names in my community just because I wanted development. Tomorrow, you will not bring a jeep to this community. I will leave you to live. I will never leave you to live. We must chase you back. Only the reason we will leave you to talk. If you start talking about development, we won't talk about even in my we believe our way safe. Australia, we don't fuck care about your Australia or another Germany or America. When you have no building here, think you can come here and be making noise. I love all my fans. They look for me. They don't make noise. You cannot make noise. We bo wa ye yopa. Ma boy Uronigbe to make noise. Oga, we know where. We know where. We know where for development. If you just come from America, London, we have a 2 money. What muunda do? They will too beat you. That is all the truth. So she was crying yesterday. People were looking at Ovieba. I told her not to be crying. Do you want to see the video of Asaboro house? Any of you warokropa. Bewebu no wa gwa. Una gbemine ma yo me mana. A video na iba amoda wera. That is the truth. I repeat. If I'm doing my live video, you are from Uronigbe, you write nonsense there. And my fans in that team, if I lie, I will drive my car to your father's house, bedroom. If I'm a video die, I will show the whole world. They sue me to court. And let's see if my lawyer will not come outside. You think we are foolish people? You think we don't know what we are doing? You understand my point? You cannot come here and be using us because a sagera or a gue because era makavia ma Uronigbe. Then when we continue sageni. Hello, gume baloto. Wa mi ene. Wa inigo 1.8 million. Okay, ya send the go back where. You are a fool. Inigo will to be cancel. Uya do to be ariave o to be cancel inigo. Idwogba inigo. This is Drogba. You can get a land for 200 by 200 for 400,000. If you Drogba 200 by 200 for 400,000. Ulerie name ya give me language down where Egba you know what do talk. Omo na me lu oni me ma do ama we. Ba le ti ave wo no ma man lega do yi. Abi gwe no ma man wona de lo talk. You think we don't know what we are talking? Well, I wish you all the best. Tomorrow morning, please watch this video for development by we pronouncing a cause against those use your wisdom, okay? God bless you, and I appreciate you guys. Life in home is home. That is how it is. This is my building. If I develop this place in another place, so sir, go and on the light in the bar. Me papa, me na abe, o wana ye worry. Go wash away life yara ye be na. Akwa are wa we ejebia saburo. If I leave Uronigbe to go and build this building in another place. How do you people feel? Eh? This is life in Uronigbe community. Develop your Uronigbe. Eh? Make both women are your way. How do you think Uronigbe will look like? Did I steal your father's money to build this building? Did I take money from your sister? Why not write it here where it will go 20? Eh? Where Gmoye Mana who won me go Gumeni Yabuana. One of Guania and if I boala wagbe. Eh? Wo wa re Uronigbe nakina. This is where job we made nakina. Home is home. Eh nakina wa. Make pa bo wana America. Wa ema Rebecca Bayami kedia. Make pa bo wana ye London. Ema Rea mekedia. Eh? As the you ohiame you hienwinu wa. Beni guanse no manoro or ye down your way kevi agma we kevi. Eh? If I take this beauty to another place, how do you feel? How are you going to feel? Eh? How are you going to feel? When I take my building to another place, how are you going to feel? Eh? So the truth of the matter where wagima dole we mayi akugbe or eti inwanegbe or udeme. Go and give me one energy drink there. Take that bread away. Akugbe or eti inwanegbe or udeme. Where give mari gbofegbe man. Man if you don't need ma gbofogbe. Give me one energy drink. Open it. Man if you don't need ma gbofogbe. Igbofo or lorima. Open it for me. Igbofo lorima gbe. Mi omo kankere no grow. Agbofe. I get temu. Thank you my son. I get temu. Table amigo. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, one amigo. Go and pause that. One amigo. 15, eh? 16. My brother Kevi. Kevi is from another mother, from another community. Eomi Onigbe. Ijobono eume. Kevi. Ijobono eume. Okay, me wana yon Jesu to ni wa dege. I been on here the white cloth, you know. I don't want to mention their name. Mostly on here white cloth, you know. This way, eh? Ijobono eume. Wane bi ebo me wa weni di hunre no waso. A street light ya fake boy. So far so good. We have given Uronigbe almost 120 solar street lights in Uronigbe. Everyone viewery, we have violated our uwo hamwe. Akwe ma tie boy na won ma oruwa ma. Agagi tie boy ne ejuro ni urire o. Eri egume to bo we the street light abava vioge job we made no go we install na emi pipi. Made o wa me ban. Wa we ego we ro wana la ho. Mo yima we job we made abeg my money where you dey hold me make you pay me. And we go trace you. If you don't feel defend that because we're not too well like that. Kevi Agbon Amawe. For many of you, you are surprising. And this will not be JB of yesterday. Now you're going to blow like this. JB of yesterday. When I sold my car, I sold everything that I have. My first wife, Honor Le, not Pastor I Honor in London. He run away. He made security. I don't have secret. That is why people they are afraid to do business with me. Any business you know say not genuine, not tell me I go blow. Menakina, John Boymade. Even when woman genuine, tamame unumena egwe. But my Latin, if you offend us, or God will blow you. We know your sin. She run away to Europe country. My first wife. You understand my point? So-called daughter he have for me is in London. I'm gonna be with 2002, if I'm not mistaken. It's in London. You understand my point? Honestly, but she cannot come back She had to got married to another man. To them, I'm not living well. I'm living large with big boys. Osalobo Afiome. Easy egbe or a bagmo. Now they see me today say, Agme don't large, Agme don't large. But I'm going to remember the suffer when I first suffer. When I sold my car, my first car. I sold everything that I have. I went to Libya. I was in Suprata in Libya. 3 hours to Italy in Suprata. I'm married me on no journey rainy. Now they think today that guy don't deal. Now only Kevin can contain no real arrest. Saloboa will leave you one day. In Yoba, they will call me, my son. Don't worry, calm down. Things will be okay. Things will be okay. Things will be okay. Becky, my daughter, I'm still seeing you. God bless you. Share this video. The message of this video, by tomorrow morning, we will pronounce a curse against those that is making you people in Europe, all over Oriomo as a whole, and Uronigbe, that doesn't want you guys to rise. That is the message of this platform. The message of this video, we are going to pronounce a curse tomorrow against those who not say make una get paper. Una go carry drug at the end of the road. You make money from it. You load container for abroad, your container not go fit reach Nigeria. 0. Since when you dey abroad, you become single mother, your husband run away. 0. Even you don't even see husband, you dey abroad. Any year, my auntie boy, you back where. If you know you are that type, contact John Imade. Urewebo, Omoma Bie, Igoma Mie, Kenuke Success 0. Ti John Imade, Kazen Koso, oh, la de back where. Thank you, my brother. Say God see you through. Kazen Koso, oh, la de back where. Even when I saw you, maybe if you don't do what. Uno salobo ageme, do uno sagolobo agie igeleje na. He say ya no sir. Ohware webo, ya wo bia gba sofa na Uronigbe, man obi Uronigbe. Ya gi sofa na na bo wa beko. Ya gi bo wa na beko, we don't mention the person name because he's watching me. And at the end of the road, oh, one of what 50 million. Oh, bia na pa na mu. Obi san. Ahwe, oh, let me we wa. Igoge garo wani. We no mu. Igoge ro wani we to we the emi Uronigbe we mi ono no e. Okan eke ni ka o. Obi Uronigbe wa nwina be webo. E one ra emie. Wa we no send €50 re. Okay, man jidobo. Oh we me €1,000 on that 3 days e no kian e. Obi Uronigbe wa danyo me webo de ye gota. Then on our son, the one where we go for Uronigbe now, we expect police or God. Una go pray police, una go tire after we don't pray for them tomorrow. This operation show your father's house. Oga, don't they prepare the go buy peto? They petty. Niya ya peto wera. Operation show your father's house. Ogera me yasmwe. I will start with Asaboro house. No ve mo kino fa wa uni ne kere niki. Wa mi ma gbe mo ma wa be ko wa. Onzo 0. You have a support to what? If you are here, is that okay? Error. If you are here, by we will pray for you people tomorrow. But this is Operation Show Your Father's House. We are going to give you guys 3 months. January, February, March, April. And from April, we'll carry video face your house. We'll show up for internet. Say Curtis come with the Uronigbe will not run. Say Mafia come with the Uronigbe will not run. Wagi gure webo, wagi winaba, talo wunuaka. You go show my house. You go do my papa for video. You don't go make your papa day alright. My papa is not even good. My papa married 4 wives. If you want to know about John Imade, they tell me when I meet with social media. Oh, we did have very last month, very rugged and tested. ma we mi ni buna e do gana we salobwa la ho gas one dollar ya yo ke ma ya bima salobwa na we ya bu wane was one dollar ya yi e imagine e gana mi ana da kun pa ikun pa ne ya kun pa iguma ni ka o in 5 months time Ronigbe oga wa mo video da wera do wera ye mahiri de pet kiyan repeat ugbe wa mi ma gbe egbe awo we e ma si yo we gbe de emi no si yo we gbe e ma ti e bo yi wa ho na mi ewe ye ma gagbo ma wa i ma ti e bo yi wa ko ma ti e bo yo na de 5 months inu e emi ma na fi wo de call me privately o ma na call me privately oga wo video your house we put am for internet I don't fit man dey see your pass say dey go farm now what you dey tell me Germany for 12 years America for 100 years you say we dey play we dey watch all of una we know una now you say we no know una we will mention una name you know by be soon wa emi ya o meme no viukun le gbe keke no ka ene okelade awo wa e opa I give me ma wa emi niji ya we mi ogie ibe we mi ogie wa we gie wa we so we the manager salo bo yo bo kan marione o da me bori just my point o wera o ma dollar yi wa mo gbe oga we will show your father's house o da me bori o da me o e na buwari o da me o èmi náà dá me na kin yo wagi ma kweko e kugbe o wagi ma kweko e kugbe o wagi ma kweko e kugbe o ibi e wo me wagi ma kweko e kugbe ni ma dole wi ma you oda me kebi me no se me o oda me edobere no se me o oda me mi no da me na kin yo wagi ma kweko e kugbe o na ya dole wi ma you èmi náà dá me na kin owera owasabo no he concern her after all na papa house oga go repair your house not dey form big boy hey form a big boy all those pictures wey dey snap or wa muni in Facebook we know say na dirty cloth we no be say we no know we know the story took money mose gbe but the camera amu no bada amose deceive gbo ma I will trace and tag one. I'm a picture of a webo man. You have we know pedantic, we know original one. More than the point even now. Miami have I be only man work any bata jewo wame. Be the kabaka man any jewo wame. Usaloba me bless him man. We know the story for Europe. No, not on the form for me for Europe issue. Okay. Wa form man me want disgrace we Ronigbe. I'll just tell the whole world how your papa has be. Not be lie. Ekenuke by wa game my no go carry laptop you see my house and my house be this one o wa me na kina my laptop by tag we Europe who wey na so you dey enjoy all those colors see the color here na food there so see there uba do avede nana uba vie like agbewe wine 10 people want drink one bottle of one SOP like 20 people want drink one SOP egile abado vie like agbe and owera ma bo wa oga you and your wa challenge me oga iwa trace to wera ya wa be trace any o mana ye beje you know the story na una no JB I give me my one waka e karata me or say was so why you that even where can I work with this guy gonna know how I be but God don't change me. But if you say you want claim all those pictures where you going to take for Europe, they snap. We know the story of God. Dig go where for me. Kamima where go where. We know the story. My Allah that we won now. On your fina. We for the now. We know the story. That's my point. Please, my brothers and sisters, share this video. Don't fail and remain your loyal boy, Jumbo Imade, the tank crier of Ronigbe community. This is me. I know they hide my face. I know the story. So please share this video. God bless you all. Kevin, thank you very much. Share my video and don't fail. And I promise on Ronigbe community tomorrow we are going to pronounce a curse upon those no magi wama webo. Thank you for sharing my video. Let me share and God bless you guys in Jesus' name.
Now we don't hear from Jumbo Imade. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.